syrup, oil, and flour. Then we mix together ingredients, all ingredients together in the big bowl. Come, Sarah. You know, we already made a mixture, a pancake. Now I soak this mixture in the big bowl carefully for soups. Fire pan, guys, be carefully, the fan, guys, be carefully, the farming pan is very dangerous. Sarah, come. Test the pancake. We already make pancake before the video. Sarah, test the pancake. Careful with the knife. It's delicious or no?
It's very delicious.
Okay, guys, goodbye and